You have two methods of waterproofing. You have interior methods, you have exterior methods. The damage to the structure dictates what method you need to waterproof the basement. If you have water intrusion in the basement and it's coming from what we call a cold joint, which is where the slab floor and the foundation wall meet, that is a interior waterproofing fix. The water is building up under the slab and it's coming through that cold joint, and there's no way to correct that from outside. You have to come in, you have to break out a section from the foundation wall, approximately 12 inches, excavate down 8 to 10 inches and put a new drain tile next to the footing. That will be trenched and sloped towards wherever we install the sump pump to allow that water to move in that direction and keep it off the floor. If you have hydrostatic pressure and the wall has signs of inward movement, that would be an exterior repair. The reason being is the water that you're getting into the foundation is starting from the surface of the soil and working its way down. That's where you get the expansive soil that caused the wall to move in. So in that case, you would have to excavate the wall out, take all that pressure off the wall, and waterproof it from the exterior. We kind of do the same method outside as we do inside. We put the 4-inch drain tile next to the footing on the outside and slope it to wherever we have the pump. That way, when the rain does come and the water does come, it's collecting in that pipe and that pipe is forcing it to the pump so we can get it away from the property. But waterproofing is not cheap. So when we go to indicate where water comes from, we make the best repair plan that fits the homeowner and the repair itself. The way that I look at repairing a home is it's your house, your rules. I give you the method and the repair plan that fits whatever you have going on. And from there, we can itemize it with different options to break it down and take care of one section at a time if we have to.